Good morning, students. I hope you all are fine and taking very good care of yourself. In our last video, we have discussed about insectivorous plants. Childrens, now let's take about few example of insectivorous plants. The first example is pictures plant. As you are also looking in the picture, its leaves have shape like a picture, means like a jug like structure, that is an earthen pot, and hence the plant is named pictures plant. The pictures shaped leaves are filled with a strong smelling liquid that attract insect towards it. As soon the insect enters the pictures, it get trapped between the hair like structure present inside and the lid close. The digestive juice present inside digest the insect. In some insectivorous plant, leaves have semi liquid which trap the insect which sit on the leaves, and the insect is then digested by the leaves. Children, so there are many such plants which eat insect. Now let us talk about saprophytes. So students, can you know what are saprophytes? This is a method of nutrition in which organisms obtain its nutrient from dead and decaying matter. This new method of nutrition is called saprotrophic or saprophytic nutrition. The organism using saprotrophic mode of nutrition are called saprotrophs or saprophytes. What we call them, student? Saprophytes. Come on children, now let us learn about what is symbiotic relationship. Now we are going to learn about what is symbiotic relationship. Some organisms live with each other and depends on each other for their food and shelter. This is called symbiotic relationship. Now let us see that how nutrients are replenished or recycled in the soil. Plants continuously absorb nutrient from the soil. As a result, soil become deficient in nutrient. To overcome this deficiency, manure and fertilizers are going to add into the soil. Children, now tell us some again. What have you learned today? Means we are talking about what we have learned in this whole chapter. First of all, most of the plant are autotrophic, means they prepare their food by themselves. Second one, sunlight and chlorophyll are essential for the process of photosynthesis, as you all know that. Third one is parasites and saprophytes adopt other mode of nutrition, as we learned today. They depend on other for their food. Next one, in soil recycling of nutrient take place, means the soil help in taking the nutrient from the soil and they can also replenish the nutrient. Okay student, in the end I will ask a few questions and I hope that you all must be knowing the answer, so watch and listen carefully these questions. I will ask you some question related to your previous knowledge. The first question is, the process in which plants prepare their own food is called. Can you tell me what is the process name is? Yes, the right answer is photosynthesis. What we call them, students? The process in which plants prepare their own food is called photosynthesis. Question number second. Iodine is used to test the presence of dash in leaves. We have done a test in which we use iodine. So, what is the test? We are going to test. Yes, absolutely right. Your answer is correct. The answer is starch. Iodine is used to test the presence of starch in a leaves. Next question, question number third. Lichen is a symbiotic relation between dash and dash. Can you give me the answer? Yes, of course. The answer of this third question is lichen is a symbiotic relationship between algae and a fungi. Okay, students. So these questions are present in between of the book. So you have to read or watch it. Next question is question number 4. After the harvesting, soil become deficient in. Can you tell me in which things the soil become deficient? Yes, of course. You are correct. The answer is after the harvesting, soil become deficient in nutrient. Okay, student. So the chapter is over and we have also done some between question answer. I hope you can understand the whole chapter. And today's your homework is you have to complete the whole exercise in your notebook also. And one more thing, the keywords which are given in your book, so you have to write the word and also write it meaning with the help of the previous video. I hope you can understand it. So, moving to the exercise. The question number first of the exercise is why do organisms take food? Answer: all organisms need to take food to get energy for the growth, development and maintenance of their body. Question number second, distinguish between a parasites and saprotrophs, or what are the difference between parasite and saprotypes? The question is similar, so the answer is parasites. The organism that live on other organisms and obtain its nutrient from that the organism is called parasite, means they get their nutrient from other organism such as cascata. Second is saprophytes, the organism which obtain its nutrient from dead and decaying matter are called saprophytes. Okay, students, I hope this thing is clear in your mind. Moving to third question. How would you test the presence of starch in a leaf? I have told you this test in the video. Solution answer is take 2 potted plant of the same kind, keep in a dark for 72 hours and then other in sunlight. Perform the iodine test with the leaf on both the plant as given below. Now leave the pot which are earlier kept in the dark undisturbed for 3 to 4 days and perform the iodine test again on it leaf. So put iodine solution on the leaf. What will you observe? Blue and black color will be observed on the leaf of the plant kept in sunlight, which indicates the presence of starch, but blue and black color will not observed on the leaf of plant that kept in dark room. This indicates the absence of starch. Okay, student, I hope you can understand. Moving to question number 4, give a brief description the process of synthesis of food in green plant. So the answer is green plant use a process called photosynthesis to prepare its food. The process is as following. Water is taken from the root of the plant and is transported to the leaves of the plant. Carbohydrate from the air enters the leaf through pores called stomata. This diffuse the cell containing chlorophyll. Water molecule is broken down into hydrogen and oxygen with the help of sunlight. Hydrogen combines with oxygen and hydrogen to form carbohydrate. Photosynthesis is represented by following equation. Means this is the equation: carbon dioxide plus water in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll. What we get? Carbohydrate plus oxygen, or you can also say glucose plus oxygen. So moving to the question number 5th, show with the help of a sketch that plant are ultimate source of food. So you have to draw this picture. Okay, students. So these are the fill in the blanks. Green plant are called dash since they synthesize their own food. They are called autotrophs. B. The food synthesized by plant is stored as starch. Third, in photosynthesis, solar energy is captured by the pigment called chlorophyll. During photosynthesis, plant take in dash and release in. So what it take? carbon dioxide, and what it release? Oxygen. Moving to question number 7, name the following. A parasitic plant with yellow, slender and tubular stem. What is it? Cascata. Second one, a plant that has both autotrophic and heterotrophic mode of nutrition, that is Pitcher's plant or Venus flytrap. Okay students. Third one is a porous through which leaves exchange gas, that is known as stomata. Question number 8, take the correct answer. First one is umbrel is an example of parasites. Very good. B, the plant which traps and feed on insect are called, what we call them? Pitcher's plant. Okay students, there are match the following. Chlorophyll is present in leaf. Nitrogen is used by bacteria. Umbrel is a parasite. Animals are heterotrophics. Insects are known as Pitcher's plant. Okay students, then true false are given. Carbon dioxide is released during photosynthesis. No, because oxygen is released, so that is false. Second one, plant which synthesize their food themselves are called saprotrophs. That is also false because they called autotrophs. Third one, the product of photosynthesis is not a protein. Very good, because it is carbohydrate. Solar energy is converted into chemical energy during photosynthesis is correct. So true. Question number 11. Choose the correct option for the following. Which part of the plant takes in carbon dioxide from the air for photosynthesis? That is stomata. Next, question number 12. Choose the correct option from the following. Question is, plants take carbon dioxide from the atmosphere mainly through their, what the hell? That is leaves. I hope the exercise is clear. So your today's homework is, in your new copy you have to make writing start with keywords. You have to write keywords and its meanings, and exercise all question answer 1 to 12 you have to write it. Okay student, and you have to also paste that previous homework which I have given you, the leaves of various color. If you have any doubt you can ask me on my WhatsApp number. So you have to complete it in your notebook, but if you don't have notebook, so complete it in your rough copy and later you can complete it. So be happy, be safe.